In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the 90th percentile in Excel. First things first, calculating the 90th percentile in an Excel spreadsheet is incredibly useful for analyzing datasets, particularly when you need to identify the value below which 90% of the data falls. This can be vital for statistical analysis, quality control, or setting performance targets. With Excel, this process is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through every step to make sure you get it right. Let's start by accessing the right tools. Navigate to the official site for free Microsoft 365 online that includes Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Here you will be able to work on Excel without needing to install anything on your computer. Once the page loads, the next step is to sign into your Microsoft account. Look for the Sign In option and click on it. This step is essential as it allows you to save your work and access the Excel online application. After clicking Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your email. Do so carefully to avoid any typos that could prevent you from logging in successfully. Once your email is entered, click on the Next button to proceed, follow the instructions for entering your password, and completing the login process. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will use an example file. This file is stored online and is accessed through a specific link. Once you click on the provided link to the example file, you'll be directed to an Excel spreadsheet that we will use for our demonstration. This file contains the data we need to calculate the 90th percentile. Now here comes the practical part. To calculate the 90th percentile, you'll need to use a specific formula incorporated in Excel. The formula looks like this: percentile, inc range percentile. For our example, if you have your data in cells C2 through C5 and you want to calculate the 90th percentile, you would input the formula as right single quote =, percentile.inc C2 C5, 0.90. Here C2 C5 represents the range of data you're analyzing, and right single quote 0.90 right single quote signifies the 90th percentile. Let's break this down a bit more. The right single quote percentile.inc right single quote function is designed to calculate the percentile based on an inclusive method, which means it considers the exact distribution of your dataset to determine the value at the specified percentile. By setting the second parameter to right single quote 0.90 right single quote comma, we're explicitly asking Excel to find the value below which 90% of the data falls. Once you've entered the formula, press enter. Excel will process the data in the specified range and output the value that represents the 90th percentile. This value is crucial for understanding the distribution of your dataset. For instance, in a business context, identifying the 90th percentile might help you set benchmarks for performance bonuses. In scientific research, it might help you isolate outliers or establish normative data ranges. A couple of tips to bear in mind: ensure your dataset is clean and correctly formatted before applying the formula, as errors in your data could lead to inaccurate calculations. Also, keep in mind that the 90th percentile calculation assumes your data is sorted in ascending order, but the function itself does not require the data to be sorted. In conclusion, calculating the 90th percentile in Excel is a powerful technique for data analysis, offering insights and helping in decision-making processes. With the steps outlined in this video, you should now be able to apply this formula confidently in your Excel spreadsheets. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, feel free to use different datasets and experiment with the formula until you're comfortable with the process. Whether it's for academic, personal, or professional purposes, mastering the 90th percentile calculation will definitely add value to your analytical skills. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Dive into your Excel, explore the data, and unlock the powerful analytics capabilities at your fingertips. Until next time, happy analyzing.